Hi, in this video, we'll continue our Amplify Fusion API building journey, and we're going to wrap up converting the finance quote method API implementation into a service, which we started that in the last video. Let's deactivate the API. Let's come into our quote integration, and this was the old implementation. It's been disabled, and here's the new implementation. It's in a service. Let's navigate over there, and if I expand this, you saw we did the missing symbol path. Now let's do the path when we have a symbol. So if you recall, we were going to uppercase convert the symbol because the backend requires uppercase. And what we'll do here is let's create a string symbol to hold our uppercase symbol. Let's add a map function, uppercase, and let's take the input to the service, which is symbol, and let's set the uppercase to symbol UC. The other thing we need to do is we need a variable to hold the 200 response. So let me grab this. We'll use that extract technique again, like we did in the last video. And in this map component, let me create a placeholder here. So we'll do an extract, paste in our sample, and let's call that 200 response. All right, and we'll build our response there and assign it to the service output at the end. So now what we can do is we can call the Open API client. Let's call the FinHub quote service first. Quote. Okay, we need to pass in our uppercase symbol, and the response will be here. And we can start building our 200 response right away. So O is open price, H is high, L is low. C is price, previous closed, this is change, and this is change percent. Okay, that's good. The next thing we need to do is get the company information. So we need another Open API client. This time we're going to use the stock object and company to profile, and again we're going to pass in the uppercase symbol, and in the response we are going to grab the name for the company name, and luckily we have a ticker too, so we'll grab that for the symbol. And now all we have to do is map the output. Alright, so I need to map the body to the service output response body, and let's set the status to 200. And now we're done with the service, and if we come back over here, if you recall, we are mapping the body to both 200 and 500. So we should be done. So let's enable this. And let's come over here and let's make sure that's still working, and it is. And now if we put in uppercase TXN, we have our quote response with company name and symbol, and we also can handle lowercase. So that works as well. And Apple, and there you have it. So in this video we finished up converting our quote integration from implementing it inside the integration to putting it inside of a service, which is best practice. Thank you.